All right, I'm going to go through the answers for your review today. Please don't watch this until you've already done the work. Make sure you're actually using this to study. Otherwise, it's not going to be helpful for your quiz tomorrow. Don't just use this to get the answers. But numbers 1 through 6, I'll go through. I'm going to go through it rather quickly. So if you're stuck on any of them, stop the video, pause it. But I want to just make sure you have all the answers. So first couple, these ones you are doing based on just inspection. So does it have one, none, or infinitely many? Looking at this first one, if it has a slope of 2 and a slope of -1, that is going to be one solution because they are different. This one, 1/2 and -3, again, they're different slopes, so one solution. These ones have the same slope, but different y-intercepts, so this will be no solutions. And then these bottom three you're going to have to solve. So you'd get 3y equals -2x plus 6. Divide by 3 and get y equals -2/3 x plus 2. And you would get 6y equals -4x plus 12. Y equals -2/3 x plus 2. So because they are the exact same, number 4, you should get infinitely many. Number 5, same thing, you need to solve. 2y equals -3x plus 5. Y equals -3/2x plus 5/2. And 2y equals -3x plus 7. And y equals -3/2x plus 7/2. These ones have the same slope, but different y's, so this will be a no solution. And for this one, I believe you should have gotten x minus 4. This one you should get infinitely many, I think. -y equals -x plus 4. Yep, y equals x minus 4, and then y equals -2. Oh, nope, this one you should get one solution. All right, the next ones you are graphing to see where they cross at. So first dot on the 2, up 1 over 1. And then the second one, first dot on the -2, down 1 over 1. So they cross perfectly at -2, 0. Number 8, first dot on the 4, down 2 over 1. And then the other one, first dot on the 1. And they go up 1 over 2. This one isn't going to cross perfectly at, but you should have gotten it to cross right there. This one, first dot on the 2, it's an up 1 over 1. And then the next one, first dot on the 4, it's a down 1 over 1, so they should cross at 1 and 3. These ones you got to solve. So you'll get y equals -2x plus 5, and y equals x minus 1. First dot on the 5, and the other one's first dot is on the -1. These ones should cross at 2, 1. This one, you should get y equals 3x plus 0. And this one, you should get y equals -x plus 4. So first one should look like this. And then the second one, they would cross at the 1 and 3. And the last one, first dot on the 4, up 1 over 1. And then first dot on the -2. Oh, sorry, I totally graphed that one wrong. It was a negative. So it should have been on the 4, down 1 over 1. And then the other one graphed on the -2, up 1 over 1, so they should cross right at 3, 1. All right, then these ones, you are substituting them. So this one, you would get x plus 2x plus 1 equals 7. 3x plus 1 equals 7. 3x equals 6. So you should get x equals 2 and y equals 5. So 2 comma 5 for that one. Here you should get 2x minus x plus 4 equals 4. So you get 1x plus 4 equals 4. So you should get x equals 0. And that would give you y equals 4. So 0 comma 4. Here, you're going to have a little bit of a fraction. So x plus 1/2 x minus 1 equals 2. So here you'll get 3 over 2x minus 1 equals 2. 3 over 2x equals 3. And then you should be doing 3 divided by 3 over 2. Oops. And get x equals 2. And then you should get y equals 0. And number 16, you're going to have to do a little bit of solving. So if I want to get this one to get x alone, I can do x equals 2 plus y. So I'd have 2 plus y equals plus y equals 6. So I get 2 plus 2y equals 6. 2y equals 4. So y would equal 2. And that would mean x equals 4. If you're really stuck on these ones, send me an email and I can send you another good video to watch. This one would be x equals 1 plus y. So I could do 2 times 1 plus y. I get 2 plus 2y plus y equals 5. 2 plus 3y equals 5. And get 3y equals 3. So y equals 1. And if y equals 1, x equals 2. So you should get 2 comma 1 for that one. And the last one, same thing. X equals 4 plus y. So you should get 3, 4 plus y plus y. 12 plus 3y plus y equals 0. 12 plus 4y equals 0. 4y equals negative 12. And y equals negative 3. If y equals negative 3, x should equal 1. You should get 1, negative 3. And then the last thing that you need to review is elimination, which typically is the hardest one. So this one you're adding and subtracting. So this one I'm going to add. So 2 plus 3x is 5x. Y plus negative y is 0. And 7 plus 5 is 12. We get x is equal to 12 over 5. And then when I plug it back in, I could do 2 times 12 over 5 plus y equals 7. 24 over 5 plus y equals 7. So we should get y equals 11 over 5. And on your test, I don't want to give you any where you get fractions. Your test should give you all whole numbers. This one, same thing. We're going to be adding. So these cancel out. 3y equals 9, which means y equals 3. And if I plug that back in, I would get x plus 6 equals 8. So x equals 2. Again, I'm going super fast. If you're like, I'm still super confused, I can send you another video slowed down for you on this. This one, I would subtract them. These cancel. Negative 2y equals negative 4. Y equals 2. And if y equals 2, we would get 4x plus 6 equals 10. We get x equals 1. And 22. This one, we've got to do some rearranging. I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 2. So I get 6x plus 2y equals 10. I am going to add these and get 9x equals 14. So x equals 14 over 9. Again, I wouldn't give this to you on your test. I don't want you to get fractions on your test. 3 times 14 over 9 is going to give you 14 over 3 2y equals 4. And do 4 minus that. And get negative 2/3 and divide that by negative 2. So you should get y is equal to 1/3. Again, if you were super confused on that one, it's okay. I'm not worried about the fractions. All right, this one, we're going to have to multiply all of them. I'm going to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 2. So I get 6x plus 9y equals 36. And this one, 6x minus 4y equals 2. I'm going to subtract these. 9 minus negative 4 is going to give me 13y equals 34. So y is equal to 34 over 13. 2x plus 3 times 13 over, 34 over 13 gives us 102 over 13. 34 minus that. Gives us 2x equals 340 over 13. Divide that by 2. And you should get x equals 170 over 3. Again, as long as you felt good about 20 and 21, you should be okay. We're not worried about the big fractions. And last one, let's plus them. So we get 8x equals, this cancels, 20. So you get x equals 10 over 4, so that's 5 over 2. And then we get 25 over 2 minus 2y equals 16. 16 minus 25 over 2. So we get negative 2y equals 7 over 2. 7 over 2 divided by negative 2. We should get y is equal to negative 7 over 4. So go back through. There's your answers for all of that. If you're stuck, I'm checking my email regularly. Send me an email. We'll figure it out. If the quiz goes horribly for you tomorrow, we'll figure it out when I get back. Don't freak out. This is not your final grade. We'll figure it out. All is good. But here's your answers. Do your best to review.